This is Roger Farr recording for Plant Science 131, Exam 1 Extra Credit. For the first question I got wrong, the question was, onions have a biennial life cycle. You can either grow onions by planting seed or by planting the bulb made in the first year of the plant's life. Which farming planting method would give an Australian farmer the biggest bulbs if they want to grow the crop for just 1 year? The answers that were given were A. Planting from seed, which will start year 1 of the plant's life, B. From a bulb that was developed in year 1 of the plant's life, or C. Both would give the same result because the biennials grow in the same way in year 1 and year 2 of their lives. My answer, which was incorrect, was planting from a bulb that was developed in year 1 of the plant's life. The correct answer was planting a seed from which will start year 1 of the plant's life. The reason I got this question wrong, because as we can see in this previous answer, I picked that it was a bulb from the previous year. What it needed to be was a seed. This is because the bulb would have been from year 2 of the plant's life, which means that it would have had the storage, or it would have had its carbon and storage already in it, ready for the next year, which the plant would have used that bulb as a source instead of a sink. If we were to plant from a seed, the plant would use that bulb as a sink for the carbon, which would have made a bigger bulb, compared to if I used the bulb from the previous year, where it would have been a source, and the bulb would have been smaller than it would have been had I used a seed from year 1. The next question was, the banana plant shown grows like this. The sucker grows from the banana shoot to stem. The stem flowers and a bunch of bananas are made, but they do not make any seeds. The stem part of the plant dies. The underground part of the plant develops rhizomes, which give rise to new shoots the next year. This continues for about 14 years before the plant dies. The question is, what kind of life cycle does a banana plant have? The answers were annual, biennial, perennial, or D, none of these. My answer was A, annual, and the correct answer was C, perennial. The reason why I think I got this wrong was I probably clicked the wrong thing, because I know that the plant is living for 14 years, and knowing that anything over 2 years is no longer an annual or biannual, which must make it a perennial. This is why that the correct answer was C, perennial, instead of my answer, annual. So there is my two questions that I got, or two of my questions that I got wrong off the exam, and there's my reasoning for why I believe I got them wrong, and why I think the right answers are the answers that they are. So, with that, I believe that this is a good way for me to figure out what I did wrong and learn from my mistakes. So, yeah, thank you.